Ensure you can answer these 10 questions to make more money and succeed as a rideshare driver. What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to the rideshare space, so if you're a driver, a passenger, or someone just interested in the rideshare space, consider subscribing. Being able to answer these 10 questions will set you up for a higher success and more earnings as an Uber or Lyft driver. Number 1, where does it surge or prime time? You should be studying the Uber and Lyft apps and know exactly where it surges. Number 2, when does it surge or prime time in your market? By researching demand trends, you should know specific times when there's surge or prime time in your market. Number 3, why is there surge and prime time in these areas? Know why there is surge and prime time in your market, so if you have similar events, whatever it may be, you can anticipate surge and prime time earnings before they happen. Number 4, describe traffic patterns in your city and when does it get busy? Know your traffic patterns in your city for, at the very minimum, all the major highways. By knowing this, you can best utilize your time making more per hour and ideally be able to know how to avoid a lot of that traffic. Number 5, what are the top 10 busiest areas in your market? By knowing this, you will have a list of options to pull from, ensuring that you always have areas to go to get ride requests. This also helps you out by knowing if certain areas may be saturated in your market by other drivers. You have other options, other areas to go to capitalize on that other drivers may not know about. Number 6, how are you earning tips? Are you providing an exceptionally clean car? Are you a great conversationalist? Are you using supplemental products like cargo to earn more money and more tips? Number 7, how are you minimizing expenses? Are you driving more dead miles or are you parking and waiting for rides to come to you? Another tip is look at what's in your vehicle. Is there anything that's really unnecessary junk? Anything that's weighing your car down? Anything that you can get rid of, making your car lighter and more efficient? Number 8, how are you allocating your earnings and savings for taxes? It's advisable to pay quarterly taxes with rideshare. Have you looked into quarterly taxes or are you still paying once a year come tax time? Consult with a CPA or tax professional and talk about what income bracket you're in and how much you should be saving for taxes. Remember, your rideshare earnings do not have taxes taken out and you will need to pay taxes on all of your rideshare earnings come tax time. Number 9, what is my strategy during surge or prime time periods? So we know when, where, and why it surges or prime times in your market, but what is your actual strategy when you get into these areas? Understand that positioning is key. Parking and waiting near high demand areas is ideal. Understand that there's also going to be a lot of competition from other rideshare drivers. Know your market average for surge and prime time to know the exact best time to go online. Are you going to be able to circle back for another ride in these high demand areas? Are there certain streets that gridlock that you should really avoid during these high demand times? Knowing these strategies will save you time and make you more money. Number 10, am I planning for the future? Understand that rideshare is a volatile market, changing year over year and month over month. I recommend having a pool of funds set aside for this unknown future and also for unexpected expenses related to your vehicle. We really don't know the next steps for rideshare. Start planning now for the future in your career. By being able to answer these 10 questions, you will earn more money and be more successful as an Uber or Lyft driver. Your driver Mike here. I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.